Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday Google's launched a new experiment called Whisk. This tool uses images and AI to help you create and remix ideas. Right now Whisk is only available for testing in the US. Since I am not there, I will explain how it works using some screenshot from Google's announcement. Instead of typing long text prompts to create images, Whisk lets you drag and drop up to 3 images, one for the subject, one for the scene, and one for the style. The app then combines these images to create something unique. Here is what happened behind the scene. Google Gemini AI writes detailed description for your images, which are processed by another model called Imagen 3. Whisk is designed for quick idea exploration, so it is great for artists, designers, and creatives. Keep in mind the result might not always be perfect. For example, it could change detail like hair color or style. But Google lets you edit the AI suggestion to make it more accurate. If you are in the US, you can try Whisk by visiting the link in the description. If it is not available in your country, you can sign up to be notified when it is. I have already signed up, and once I get access, I will share my experience with you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next video.